So, hello everyone, welcome to your own channel, Food Tech Network. So, as you all know, we all introduced to you a very premium internship that consists of different courses and different, subparts of food industry and how you are going to do project and all the things in that. Many people had various doubts. So, just to counter your doubts, we have Mr. Sachin Jain with us, who will clear all your doubts with us. So, welcome, sir, to this
Yeah.
webinar session.
Thanks, Anu and
So,
Rishika.
sir, yes, sir. So, before beginning this interesting webinar, I would like to request you to introduce yourself because we both, me and Rishika, as a part of this channel, know a lot about you, but many students are interested to know about you. So, can you please brief something about yourself?
So, myself, Sachin Jain, I am founder director EP Infobase Private Limited and EFOS Edu Marketers Private Limited. So, as EP Infobase, we are training partner with FOSTEC, FSSAI training. And in last 2 years, we have done more than 25,000 certification in various fields in the food technology only. And our another company which is EFOS, Education Future One Stop. Basically, the idea of EFOS is to bring verified, trusted, and legal opportunities to the candidates. So our entire focus and our mission of the company is basically to bring things, projects, trainings, jobs which are candidate centric. So we want to make a channel, and our mission is to bring candidates requirement to the corporate. Right now, what is happening? Most of the companies are doing corporate requirements. They are pushing to the candidate. So we want to become a channel where we are pushing candidate requirements to the corporate. Look, what candidates need. So this is how this internship also, you can say, the idea of this kind of internship, the idea of the way it is designed, like the maximum benefit goes to the candidates. Yeah.
Really great to know you all the things, sir. Definitely, the purpose of your work is well understood, and it has become very important into this generation. That when colleges and other online platforms are just focusing on theory, you really want to bridge a connection between the corporates and the students. That is really a great effort. So, sir, as you all know, the main discussion, the main theme, or the center of attraction of today's discussion is our summer internship. And although the details all the students are already knowing, and even as is available on our screen, it is available on our websites also. So can you brief something about this internship, how you got this idea, and what is it basically about?
So basically, what is an internship? Internship is getting a practical exposure what is happening in the industry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the base idea. So what is happening right now? I even we did one internship last year, where most of the part was covered theoretically. And this year I did not want to do it. So we got the feedback from the candidates, and then we try to understand what is the problem. So happening in entire this ecosystem. So what happening? Student wants to learn. He wants to go to the industry, but industry cannot accommodate these many candidates as an intern because they have their own limitations. First issue is this. Second is because of the corona, physical activities are less. So people are also not able to go for the physical internships. So these two challenges are happening. But yes, if candidates are doing degree programs, they are doing these. They have a requirement of an internship program. So this program we have designed such a way where they will get a practical exposure, and this program covers lot many things where if a student wants to go beyond our particular curriculum also. So there are a lot of self-learning material available on the YouTube and everywhere. So they will at least get a base, and their foundation will be built out of this program, and then they can explore more and more by themselves. And then there are mentors available. They will help them to design their project work and complete the project. So it is basically first the to create a foundation for 15 days where we will cover entire things in a theoretical manner, and then based on the candidate interest, we cannot force everybody to like do 8 hours of hard work or 10 hours of hard work. But yes, if there are candidates who want to explore more things and all, so there will be mentors available. There will be people around 10 plus people available with 15 years of experience in this internship with us. So they will guide the people for 15 days for their project. So this is how it started. Yeah.
Really wonderful, sir. And definitely all the points which you have mentioned, like COVID time period or everything, because sir, हम भी क्योंकि third year students and to be very honest, last time when we had the chances to do internship, companies definitely refused us. They said that during COVID we cannot take n number of students, or we cannot allow more students to participate, for physical internship. So in that time, or even in the times now, when people are not that much free that they can spend 8 hours, 10 hours in companies, or if they are not able to get a physical exposure, or if they do not have any company near to them, definitely such programs are boon to them. So now, sir, a basic question which comes to my mind is that since you have launched 60 days training program, I want a simple thing to know what different projects will be available during the program. As I have seen the brochure also, you have mentioned bakery industry, alcohol industry, dairy, etc. So how are you going to cover all these projects in a single go?
Let's first understand how this internship will go. So first we will cover the theoretical part, theoretical topics, which is you can see on my screen now. Food nutrition, food preservation, how fruits and vegetable processing done, milk product processing, baking product processing, method of food analysis. So these 6 topics are basically food technology. So first we are covering food technology part. Then we are going for the regulations, food regulations. What are the food safety regulations guideline as per the government, which is our topic number 7, 8. Okay. Then we go for the international certification standard. So this is topic number 9. After that, we go the standard practices for labeling and packaging, and then testing. After that, we go laboratory management system, which is basically testing part. And after the testing, there is an audit compliance is required in a food industry. So then topic number 12 is the compliance part, how the compliance is done. For 13 is basically food storage and transport storage. And then we will do a certification, government certification in any of the interest area, manufacturing, milk, bakery, or storage or transportation. As per the candidate interest area, he can choose any one of these 4. So this is how this program is designed. Technology, then regulations, then international standards, then labeling, laboratory, storage, auditing, storage, and transportation. So you see the entire life cycle of an industry is covered. Now, based on that, on the day 1, then we will have student participations also. Some kind of communication things are there. They need to present. They need to prepare some small topics, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. They have to share with us. Then interaction skills. We are actually promoting candidates, asking candidates to come in the group. They should come in 3 to 5 people group for this program.
Yes, sir.
Not alone. So that a single topic they can mutually discuss, mutually design, mutually they can prepare their project. So we are promoting candidates. We are asking people to come in the group. So that these soft skill also develop. And then there will be a 20 minutes video presentation we will take from each and every candidate. So this is how this program is going to execute. Second thing you asked about the projects. So we have identified 5 different areas. So the core theme of the internship is technology with the compliances. Okay. So first topic, yes, technology of food vegetable processing with the compliance, or milk products with the compliance, baking processing with the compliance, beverage processing with the compliance, or energy bar with the compliance. So this is how it is. So a candidate can choose any of the 5 topics, and or he can make a group of 3, 4, 5 people for these topics. We will start theory for all the topics, and then the candidate, based on the interest, can self-learn, can explore more things. So mentors are available for his guidance. So he can visit also nearby industry. He can visit. He can plan a visit. So our mentors will help them if they have some technical questions. They want to understand more on a particular topic. So all these activities will be part of this internship. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, sir, as you mentioned that you will be introducing in the theory part specifically, you will be introducing all the compliance related data, and even the laws and regulations will be dealt with. So, sir, will the regulations which are there in India, in our country, related to various foodstuffs, for example, we have 21 different regulations for food, will they also be discussed, or only the focus will be on international standards?
So basically, we have FSSAI standards, FSSAI guidelines for particular industry. So we will complete the entire guideline in the training program. We will share the documents, detailed documents to all the candidates. So all those candidates who are interested to learn more, so they can ask the mentors. So it is not possible in 45 days to cover the entire program. But
Definitely, sir.
we will promote the we are promoting actually the self learning. So the idea is to provide a foundation and then do some self learning and create project. So we are here to support you in the entire ecosystem.
Okay,
And
sir.
sir,
Great.
as we know, most of the candidates want to go offline to get a real-time experience in the field.
Yeah.
So, sir, how your online program will help in this case?
See, the challenge we understand ki why offline is not happening. Okay. Or if we conduct this kind of program in an offline mode, so it is very, very costly. The cost is very high. So what we have designed in this, we will show them videos of working industries. Okay. So the entire process, which we I have told you in the starting also, these 6 topics, these 6 topics will be entirely based on the video presentations, working industries
Okay,
video.
sir.
So here they will get a exposure of real industries. Then they can relate how the guidelines, how the standards work in these industries. So most of our training part, you can say at least 60% of our training part will be video based. They can directly see and learn. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So this is there. We are different. That's why I told you this program is designed in such a way they can get a feeling of offline in an online mode,
Definitely, sir.
and in
Especially
a
when you
very cost
mention,
effective and
yes, sir.
in a very practical manner. But here I want to add one more thing. Many of the students just want the certifications. They don't want to learn. They don't want to put their effort. But our
Yes, sir.
program will be successful and will be useful for those candidates only who want to learn and who will put their efforts. So we are giving a platform, we are giving them an opportunity, but ultimately they need to learn. So that's why this mentorship system, this entire theoretical pointers will be given to them, how they can learn more, and the foundation program is built. So ultimately, the person who will put more and more effort. So this program is kind of a campus to corporate program, which is covering technology, then Indian guidelines, then international guidelines, labeling, packaging, laboratory, auditing, distribution, everything it is covering.
So, sir,
Definitely,
as you referred certificates, so will you be providing hard copy of the certificates?
Yes, yes, it is part of the course fees only.
Okay,
So
sir.
there are 7 different certificates, and you can see them. First is the project report, then industry internship certificate, then training certificate, one free FOSTEC certificate, then one certificate for HACCP, FSMS, and FSSC level 1, GHP certificate, good hygiene practices, then quality management system certificate, and laboratory management system certificate. So these program will be 4 to 6 hours. these programs will be 4 to 8 hours, like HACCP, good hygiene, quality management. So these are single day certification, independent certification program. We are already selling these certificates at the cost of 800 to 1200 rupees.
Yes, sir.
So we have already merged in this all these certification in a single program, so that
Definitely, sir.
it can get maximum benefit out of it.
Yes, sir. And sir, what I feel the two unique properties which I found in your internship is that most internships which I have been through in online is that they just focus on theory. And a strange and amazing thing which I am finding in your thing is that you are going to show real exposure by showing the videos of industries. That is what I have never seen ever before. And along with that, as you are focusing not on one but a different, you're having a cater of different types of industries along with the compliances. What minds me or what I boggles me is that how are you going to do so many things in a very less amount of just 3200 or and a little of taxes? How is it possible that in such less amount we are going to get so huge array of things?
Yeah, so basically, Hanu, this is a very interesting question. Or so the idea of our company, I told you, ki we are student centric or candidate centric company. So our entire focus is to deliver more and more things to the candidate. Second thing is this is an online certification program. So we are working on a very less margins or less profit to scale, and the numbers are big, so we can deliver all these things. So the idea is we are working on a, you can say, thin margins, and we want to deliver more to the candidates. So this is the answer of your question. And
It is definitely sir, very great because only few firms have this idea that they want to deliver. Most firms are interested only in money fetching, but it is a very great thing that you are more interested in delivering the actual knowledge which would help the students not only in getting certificates but in all throughout their life in the field of food technology, sir.
yeah, that's why we are saying ki people who want to learn, and they should come to our internship, so that we also feel ki like, okay, uh, some impact have come in their life because of our training program.
Definitely, sir. And sir,
And this
I feel
entire training will be based on a LMS, learning management system, where the pre-course material, post-course material, then training material, videos, so they will be accessible for 1 year to the candidates.
okay, sir. Does that mean we will also have the recordings and every other thing of these classes
Yes,
and
yes. For one
okay,
year.
sir.
1 year accessibility will be there for the candidates.
That is amazing.
Yeah. So that they can refer also in future.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Because many a times it happens that once we learn something, we need to recall it or revisit the places
Yeah.
from where we learned it. So it is very good that if we are having a extended period of 1 year to just go back and see it again and again.
Yeah, there will be PDFs, there will be reading materials, PPTs, all will be shared in the LMS for access. There will be quizzes, preparation material, everything will be in the entire in the LMS for the
Yes, sir.
candidates. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, one last and most important question, which a student of food technology like me, or most of the students who will be enrolling in your wonderful this internship would know, is that what kind of impacts such courses have on our future? How do they affect us? I want to know in a simple language if you define its advantage.
So basically, this program we have designed not as an internship, we have designed as a campus to corporate program. So if you see the entire system which we have designed, it starts from technology to the storage and transportation of the food chain cycle. Then based on that, what when you go in an industry, when a candidate, I have almost 15 years of experience, and we have trained more than a lakh candidates of multiple roles, multiple things. And the candidate, when he goes for his first interview as a fresher, so the company want to understand key what you have done in your internship, because that is only uh, one thing which a candidate have in his review, the internship. Apart from that, other thing is marks, degree, all these things are there. The only practical thing in one's resume is the internship as a fresher.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right? So,
Absolutely, sir.
so the person who is on the other side of the table want to understand, okay, what you have done in your internship. Okay, and he want to know 4 or 5 questions about the internship program. What you have done, what kind of exposure you done, what project you made, why you choose that project, and in that project, how you started that project. Like, uh, if you are doing, let's say, milk and milk products technology, if you are understanding, so what products you have chosen, and what are the criteria you decided for the technology, what instruments you use, what kind of technology. So all these questions he will ask. Okay, so our program give a platform for a candidate where all these questions will be covered, provided he worked hard. Again, I'm saying,
Yes, sir.
provided
Definitely.
he takes this program as seriously, because it will definitely help him to crack his first interview. I can assure. If anyone do these 60 days sincerely with us, they will definitely able to crack their first interview. So that's how this program is designed. That's what we want to deliver also. Okay. So I think I'm clear on this.
Definitely, sir. All the doubts, we feel very fortunate that all our doubts have got cleared, and the students also who must be interested in this course have resolved their all the doubts. So, sir, coming to the conclusion, definitely I would say that it is a one-stop solution to all the various aspects of food industry, as you said, beginning from the theoretical aspects of preservation, processing of different food products, be it milk or fruit or vegetable, bakery-based products, along with the compliance criteria like this FSMC, HACCP, FSSC, and all the criteria which are important, for maintaining the quality-based products at the up properties. Then coming to the food storage and other such processing, post-processing processes and auditing and all. So I feel that this pack is full of all those things which a food technology student definitely desires to do. And at last, I will definitely say, no, we should not, any student should not miss a chance to do it. And I feel that this is not restricted to a particular year. A student from first year as well as from the fourth can enroll for it, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But ideally, second year onwards will be ideal. First
Okay, that
year,
would
I
be
think
ideal.
also. Yeah.
Okay, definitely, sir.
Yeah.
So definitely, I hope all of you must have
And
got the
even
idea
even
about it.
even people passing BSc pass outs, or let's say normal science graduates who want to enter into the food industry.
Hmm.
This program is a complete package for them to understand the entire food industry. So they can also do.
Great, sir.
Apart from food tech people, no, there are many people, normal science graduates, who want to enter into the food industry, want to do masters, or um, want to go for like FSI jobs and all the food technology job. For them also, this program is very useful.
Yes, sir. So, sir, if the technical conditions permit, if you go to the bottom of this website, can you show the samples of these certificates as it has been, it's clearly
Yeah,
visible,
yeah,
so that,
sure.
yeah, people would be more, you know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just
yeah, this
so
one, sir.
there will be one certificate with the candidate photo,
Okay.
which is the training certificate. One is the
Yes, sir.
government certificate, which itself costs 1,000 to 2,000 rupees,
Yeah, definitely, sir.
only certificate. Then there will be a training certificate on the company letterhead, what they have
Okay.
done and what project they have completed.
And the letter belongs to your company itself, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Food,
Great.
food safety and consulting services. Okay. And then there will be 3 different certificates in the format and some similar formats, where we will give them the different certificates. So total
Okay, sir.
seven certificates, all 7 in the hard copy,
Great, sir.
will be couriered to the candidate address.
And sir, the courier charges would be included in this
Everything
3,700.
is included. Everything is included.
Amazing, sir. Definitely, it boggles me that how
Yeah.
we are, it is very good at a very low price. We are getting most of the things, sir.
Yeah, that's why we want to ensure candidates like high delivery at a nominal cost.
Exactly, sir. So
Yeah.
definitely, I would prefer most of the students who have watched this video or are watching, just enroll it as soon as possible to gain all the benefits and just make your summer vacation, a fruitful thing. You can gain a lot from this. And both me and Rishka would like to definitely thanks from a bottom of heart, sir, for introducing all these things. And you took your precious time out for the doubt resolving session of ours. Definitely, thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks, Anu and Rishika, for your time and the questions you asked. I hope
Yeah.
many of the students will be benefit out of this.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank
I
you.
hope that the student this course soon achieve a million student.
Yeah. We are targeting 5,000 plus.
Okay, definitely. Still a long way to go, but we
Yeah.
feel that it would be a great journey.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, sir. Good evening.
Thank you. Okay.